Hello students, today we will discuss about the function group addition FGA. So for the explanation of this FGA, we will take an example target molecule isobutyl benzene. If we disconnect this target molecule by carbon-carbon bond, we will get isobutyl carbocation. For this isobutyl carbocation synthone, the reagent is isobutyl chloride. If we synthesize this target molecule by isobutyl halide and Lewis acid catalyst like AlCl3, then we get two type of products, first and second. Both of these products are not same as target molecule because Friedel-Crafts alkylation with primary halide gives wrong product due to the rearrangement of the intermediate cation. The primary cation is too unstable and the tertiary cation more stable. Primary cation in the mechanism of this reaction, the primary carbocation converts into tertiary butyl cation. So we can use Friedel-Crafts acylation, which avoids the problem because acyl group does not rearrange and the product is deactivated towards electrophilic attack by electron withdrawing carbonyl group. So we use the acyl halide in presence of AlCl3. We get the this acyl benzene. For in the next step, we reduce this CO group in CH2 group by Clemenson reduction, which is zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. So here I have mentioned a table for the electrophilic substitution and the reliable reagents. If we get the result, if we after the disconnection, if we get the synthone or alkyl cation, then we use the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. For acyl group, we use the Friedel-Crafts acylation. For NO2 group, which is nitronium ion nitration, Cl group, Cl plus chlorination, Br plus bromination. And if we get the synthone SO3H plus, then sulfonation, SO2 plus Cl chloro sulfonation, Ar and 2 plus diazo coupling. See students, you have to learn, you have to read electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction in any book, because you have to know about the mechanism, stereochemistry, and the reliable reaction of electrophilic substitution on aromatic ring. Okay, and this is the function group interconversion. If you need, or if you want to function group interconversion, for example NO2 group you want to convert into NH2 group, then you use hydrogen PD carbon SN concentrated HCl. If you want to convert COR group in CHOHR, then sodium borohydride. COR group in CH2R group, then zinc amalgam concentrated HCl. If you want to oxidize CH2 group in CHO group, then hexamine can be used. You will get the best result. CH2R into COOH, then you have to use KMNO4. COR group in OCOR group, then Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. Per acid, you can use per acid. And if you want to substitute CH3 group in CCl3 group, then Cl2 PCl5. CCl3 group into CF3 group, antimony pentafluoride, CN group to COOH group, then you can use OH minus and H2O. Okay, see, as we know that for the aromatic rings, electrophilic substitution is the characteristic property of the aromatic rings, but sometimes we cannot synthesize the target molecule by electrophilic substitution reaction, so we can change the polarity of the aromatic ring and we follow the nucleophilic aromatic substitution reactions. If we take an example, here two examples are there. In one example, in first example, CO bond disconnect. In second example, CN bond disconnect. So we get the this kind of synthons, means benzene ring. Here benzene ring act as electrophile and OR minus nucleophile and NR2 minus nucleophile. So if we make the same disconnection, we need electrophilic aromatic ring and nucleophilic reagents. So, and we shall need a leaving group on the benzene ring. Here we are taking an example of halides as a leaving group on the aromatic rings, and also we must have orthopara electron withdrawing group on the benzene ring, because electron withdrawing group accept the electron while nucleophile attack on the benzene ring. So यहाँ पर देखिए, in this mechanism OR nucleophile attack on this carbon atom which is attached with the Cl chloro group, and यहाँ पर जो बेंजीन रिंग के जो पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं वो उनका डीलोकलाइजेशन हो जाता है NO2 की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव देन द नाइट्रोजन, and after the addition of the OR group, Cl removes with the bonding electrons and we'll get the CO bond. Here is the target molecule, NO2, two NO2 groups and two NO2 groups and one isopropylamine and one CF3. So first we disconnect this target molecule by CN bond, then we'll get the isopropylamine and this benzene ring, and after CN again NO2 this CN bond disconnect with the nucleophilic substitution reaction, then we'll get this starting material. So for the synthesis of this target molecule, this available starting material after the nitration we'll get this nitro group at 2 positions in presence of CF3, because CF3 is the electron withdrawing group, so nitro group will attach on meta positions, and in presence of base isopropylamine group attached to this carbon atom which is attached in with the Cl group. So as we know, the nucleophile aromatic nucleophile substitution reaction follow the SN1 mechanism. SN2 mechanism is not available for this aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, because SN1 is providing best result. We use the best leaving group like diazo salt. So how can we make the diazo salt? First after the nitration of the benzene ring we get the nitro group with the benzene ring. Then we reduce this nitro group into NH2 group. Then in presence of sodium NaNO2 HCl, and the temperature should be below 5 degree, then we get the diazonium salt. And this diazonium salt, and this after the formation of the diazonium salt, if we increase the temperature around about 10 degree, then the nitrogen is released on gentle warming. And this aryl cation, in this aryl cation, the empty orbital is sp2 orbital, which is sp2 orbital in plane of aromatic ring, which is unlike the normal p orbital of the alkyl cation. So H2O group, even H2O group attack on this sp2 empty orbital, then the phenol forms. And if we take another example like this is the target molecule. If we disconnect the CN group with the carbon carbon bond for nucleophilic substitution, then NH2 group is there. NH2 group converts into if FGI, then NO2 group and toluene. So how will you synthesize with this target molecule with the toluene? The toluene, after nitration, we get the NO2 group at this position, ortho position. Then we reduce this molecule by the reagents hydrogen, palladium, carbon, or SnCl2. Then we get the NH2 group. After formation of the NH2 group, we diazotize with the NaNO2 HCl, and below 5 degree centigrade temperature we get the diazonium salt. And in presence of copper CuCN, then we get the right product of target molecule. And this is the again this the table for the aromatic nucleophile substitution on the diazonium salt. If you want to attach, if you want to make the synthesis of OH group, then we use the H2O. And the mechanism is probably SN1 OR synthone. Then we have to use ROH, probably SN1 mechanism. If there is SNCN group, Cl group, or Br group, so we use the CuCN, CuCl, CuBr respectively. And this reaction follow the radical reaction. If there is a synthone like benzene ring, benzyl group, then we use the Friedel-Crafts annihilation. If we want to attach H atom, then we have to follow the reduction of diazonium salt by H3PO2 or ethyl alcohol in presence of acid. Thank you, students.